What is up, guys? For today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to plasti dip your emblems on your cars. For today's video, I'm going to be plasti dipping the Mustang emblem on my Mustang, but it'll work for basically any car. It's the same process that you're going to want to follow. So the first step you're going to want to do is just completely clean all around the logo of your car. I used little cotton swabs to get all around the edges and everywhere. Just clean it all and then just dry it really well. So that's the first step. And then you're going to want to tape around all the edges. Set a little perimeter around first, just like about an inch or so away. I got a little close down here and there, but it should be fine. And then after that, I put a bunch of just cardboard paper all around the edges just to prevent overspray. You can just start by peeling the tape and all the edges, and the plasti dip just comes like right off.